Okay, here I'm going to show you how I make my herringbone stitch pattern. And in this specific design, we are just going to use this stitch as stripes like this. This is the back side and this is the right side. So in total, we are just going to make 2 rows. And let's begin with a slip stitch. And for this herringbone stitch, we can chain whichever number we need. And the number for the specific size is listed in the written pattern. Here I'm just going to show you how to make this stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, I'm gonna make 15 in this swatch. These are my 15 chains. To start row 1, I'm going to chain 1, and then in the second chain from my hook, I'm going to work in the backbone, back hump. I don't know how to call it, but anyway, not the V stitch, not this, not this, but this. I'm going to, for each stitch, I'm going to work in this loop. So in the second chain from my hook, in the back loop, I'm going to make a normal single crochet like this. And then to start our herringbone, in the next stitch, I'm going to insert my hook first on the left leg of my previous single crochet, and then into the back loop of my next stitch, yarn over and put up a loop, and then finish my single crochet like this. This is my second stitch. And for the rest of the remaining stitch, we are going to repeat the same. So insert your hook in the left leg, the very left leg, and then insert your hook in the back loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through everything. This is my third stitch made. And just repeat like this until the end of your row. Okay, now I have my last stitch. Insert my hook in the very left leg and the back loop of my last stitch. And pull through everything. Now I finished my row 1. And this is the right side of our work. Okay? And then we chain 1 and turn. So for the second row, we are going to make the stitch, the reverse stitch, and I'm going to show you how. So we're going to insert our hook into each stitch from the back to the front. Okay? So for the first one, I'm going to work in this stitch. I'm going to insert my hook from the back to the front, and I'm not going to come out here but here, and grab my yarn like this, put it to the back and up, and finish my single crochet. And for the next stitch, like the previous row, I'm going to insert my hook into this leg, and then from the back to the front, I'm going to come up here, grab my yarn, pull back and pull up. I have 3 loops on my hook, and then yarn over and pull through everything. Okay, let's make the third stitch together. Look at the right side of your work. insert your hook into the very left leg of your previous stitch. Insert your hook from back to front. Come up with below this loop. Grab the yarn, put it back and up, and pull through everything. This is how we're gonna repeat all the way to the end for this row. And if you check the right side of your work, you can see these herringbone pattern started to form. Okay, this is my second last stitch, and now I'm gonna work my last stitch here. So the same, insert on the left leg, grab my hook from back to front, okay, now I finished my second row. Let's check the stitch together from the right side. Let me cut this yarn off. This is our herringbone stripe. You see from the right side, you can see the clear herringbone arrows, and this is the wrong side.